Hi, in front of me Xiaomi Redmi 12C device, and I'm gonna show you how to make your device faster. So there are three aspects of why your device is starting to slow down. First aspect, you have filled up your storage over 70%. Second aspect, you have filled up your memory. And third aspect, you have a lot of junk files. So firstly, open settings, then find about phone here, and find here storage. And as you can see, I have filled over 40% of my storage, over 50. So I think I have 60% of my storage filled up, and over 70%. So over here, your device will start to slowing down. So after 70%, your device will start to slowing down. So you need to clear your storage if you want to keep your device in good condition. So to do it, you can you can move your photos and videos to your computer, or upload it to the cloud storage and remove from your device. You can remove unused applications and games. Second aspect that can slow down your device is the lack of RAM. So as you can see, all specs. As you can see, I have only 3 GB RAM, and it's really not a lot. And as you can see, my memory, so just find it, memory extension. My device has the memory extension feature, so I think your device has this feature too. In this way, you can extend your RAM, and in this way, you will really speed up your device. So I have 3 GB of RAM. It's really really small, and if you want to speed up your device, just find memory extension feature on your device and click 2 GB or more. Then you will need to reload your device. I will not do it now, so I will do it later. And in this way, you will speed up your device. You will really speed up your device. And the last way to speed up your phone is to find Files application, Google Files, not File Manager, but Google Files application. Find here Clear button, and here you will see Clean Up. I have no junk files on my device, you can see, but if you have, you need to clean up your device. Then you can open storage, of course, here in settings, and here you will see Clear button. Wait a while, and in this way you will be able to clear junk and harmful files from your device. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.